and today I'm going to be talking through the Evaglide Corded Pole. The Evaglide Corded Pole is a 30mm extruded aluminium profile. It's a corded system, but is also available hand-drawn and motorised. It has an elegant and clean finish, mimicking the look of a pole without the usual limitations of brackets. Because it utilises a channel across the top of the track for brackets and a channel across the base for the carriers, they don't interfere with each other. It's available in 7 colours, including inox, slate grey, bronze, chrome, dove grey, white and black. All colours are available with colour coordinating components including end caps, brackets and carriers. It does have a cord, so therefore it does need to follow the usual child legislation, meaning that the cord does need to be 150 from the ground and attached to the wall in a wall box. It's just something to bear in mind. On the cording side, it does come with an overlap arm that's made of metal, so it's very secure. It can be corded to one side or both sides and can be set up for a single curtain or a pair. There are various bracket options available, including an 8cm, 12cm and 16cm wall bracket. 16cm is available as a double bracket as shown here, or a single bracket. It also comes with a flush ceiling bracket. All bracket options available are colour coordinated to the colour of your track. This is supplied on a made to measure service and can be bent by our in-house track team to a 20cm radius, but it can also be curved. The system itself will take up to 15 kilos per metre, meaning it can be used in domestic but also in some contract situations. As with all of the Evaglide curtain tracks, this comes with a 10-year warranty. Thank you.